Hi, I'm Daniel Fury, owner of BTC. Thank you for watching. What is BTC? As you can see by our logo, we keep it simple. BTC is a business technology consulting company that I started that focuses on delivering the best value for our customers who need it the most, growing small businesses. Personally, it dates back to 1981, my sophomore year in high school. As a member of the first graduating class in computer science, we worked on computers that booted from floppies because hard drives were more expensive than the computers themselves. We programmed in many popular languages, but I knew that coding was not my calling. My dad often encouraged me for customer-facing roles because he understood who I was. Professionally, my career started over 30 years ago on the lowest rung. For the past 20 years, I managed many efforts, large and small, but I never felt I was working in a well-developed project delivery environment, which I accepted, like many of you do today. All of these business units operate within well-developed processes. In my professional opinion, PMOs are often undervalued, and as a result, they are not built out to meet their fullest potential. When companies want to grow, they develop strategic initiatives to invest their profits. Harvard Business Research uncovered the following trends. 7 out of 8 companies fail to achieve profitable growth. 95% of company employees are unaware or understand their strategy. That's a big disconnect between strategic formulation and strategic execution. Projects are the main vehicle to completing a company's strategic initiatives, but with such a disconnect, money is being wasted. Okay, BTC solutions bridge the disconnect between strategy formulation and strategy execution. With the following business case of 200 projects, $100 million budget, and 1,000 resources, here are some of the conservative estimates on the returns that we're seeing. The implementation on corporate project management standards. According to Gartner, projects following a standard life cycle are more often completed on time, on budget, and within scope. A savings of 2.4% or $2.4 million. Identifying risks and constraints. Gartner estimates the proper risk identification will result in a cancellation of 20% of projects before the execution phase. You take 20% of the projects, times it by 5 people, by $60 per hour, by 40 hours per week, minus the 50% of what's left in the project duration. That's where you get your 5.3 million. Project prioritization. Within 2 years, enterprise should go from tracking less than half the portfolio projects to more than 75%. With higher visibility, key portfolio information will be available to all decision makers, making it quicker. Savings of 5% in delivery improvement in both time and budget. Cancellating projects. With proper portfolio management with PMO phase review, we estimate 5% of projects would be no longer viable once they're started. You minus the 50% of the sunken project costs, yields you your savings of 2.5 million. Improved resource utilization. The progress reporting of all projects will improve visibility of all project initiatives competing for similar resources with the savings of 2% of total project cost, which gives you 2.5 million. These business cases estimates yield 17.7 total in returns. Conditions can vary, but we've witnessed savings and improved value sometimes exceeding 30% of the project portfolio. If you're not closing 90% of your projects, then what are you waiting for? Let us help you improve those numbers. Contact us to learn more about your options. Scan the QR code right there. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you soon.